Chapter 10, Systems Architecture. This chapter describes system architecture, which translate the logical design of an information system into the physical blueprint. I have experience working in the systems architecture area that relates to the client-server environment. Chapter Objectives. Explain client-server architecture, including tiers, cost-benefit issues, and performance. Discuss the impact of cloud computing and Web 2.0. Describe wireless networking, including wireless standards, topologies, and trends. Describe the system design specification. System architecture, then and now. Functions of a business information system are manage applications that perform the processing logic, handle data storage and access, provide an interface that allows users to interact with the system. While planning system design, determine where the functions will be carried out. Identify the advantages and disadvantages of each design approach. System architecture, then and now. Mainframe architecture. Server, a computer that supplies data, processing services, or other support to one or more computers called clients. Earlier servers, mainframe computers. All data input and output occurred at a central location. Advances in technology enabled installation of terminals at remote locations. Impact of personal computer. Individuals could work in a standalone mode. The workstation performed all the functions of a server. Lesser IT assistance resulted in increased productivity in certain tasks. Absence of a central storage location raised concerns about data security, integrity, and consistency. Network evolution. Local area network, LAN, allows sharing of data and hardware resources. Wide area network spans long distances and can connect LANs that are continents apart. Client-server designs. Client-server architecture includes systems that divide processing between one or more network clients and a central server. Client handles the entire user interface. Server stores data and provides data access and data management function. The client's role. Client-server relationship must specify how the processing will be divided between the client and the server. Fat client, thick client design locates all or most of the application processing logic at the client. Thin client design locates all or most of the processing logic at the server. This provides better performance as the program code resides on the server. Client-server designs continued middleware enables communication between the tiers, referred to as glueware, used to connect two or more software components in a federated system architecture. Integrates legacy systems and web-based and or cloud applications. Represents the slash in the term client-server. Cost-benefit issues. Client-server systems offer the best combination of features to meet information system requirements. Client-server designs continue, enable firms to scale the system according to the environment, enable transfer of applications from expensive mainframes to less expensive client platforms, reduce workload, and improve response times. Performance issues. Knee of the curve. Response time to request increases significantly as the system nears its capacity. Clients should contact server only when necessary in a client-server system. Distributed database management system helps improve client-server performance. The impact of the internet, cloud computing. The concept envisions a cloud of remote computers providing a total online software and data environment that is hosted by third parties, eliminates the compatibility issues, and provides scaling on demand. The impact of the internet continue. Web 2.0, second generation of the web, enables people to collaborate, interact, share information more dynamically. Considered a step towards the semantic web. Wiki, web-based repository of information, run by social collaboration. Users collaborate and add new layers of information to the Internet operating system. Wireless networks. Wireless network standards. IEEE 802.11 is a family of standards developed by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE for wireless LANs. Current wireless networks are based on variations of the original 802.11 standard. 802.11g and 802.11n offered increased bandwidth and were widely accepted by the IT industry. Current standards such as 802.11ac use multiple input-output technology to boost performance. Do you currently have a wireless network in your home? My current network standard is 802.11n. What is yours? Wireless networks, wireless network topologies. Network topologies available for IEEE 802.11 wireless LANs. The basic service set, BSS or the infrastructure mode, contains a central wireless device called an access point or wireless access point to serve all wireless clients. Extended service set comprises two or more basic service set networks. Wireless access can be expanded over a larger area. Wireless Trends. Wi-Fi Alliance, a nonprofit international association that certifies interoperability of wireless network products based on IEEE 802.11 specifications. Products that meet the requirements are certified as Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, compatible. Disadvantage: wireless transmissions are less secure. Bluetooth is used for short distance wireless communication. IEEE works on 802.16 standards or WiMAX. WiMAX is broadband wireless communication protocols for MANs, metropolitan area networks. For more information on wireless network standards, topologies, and trends, review the content and figures on pages 345 to 348. System design completion. System architecture marks the end of the systems design phase of systems design lifecycle. Final activities in the systems design phase are preparing a systems design specification, obtaining user approval, delivering a presentation to management. Systems design completion. The systems design specification is a document that presents the complete design for a new information system. Contains detailed costs, staffing, and scheduling for completing the next SDLC phase, used as a baseline to measure the operational system. User approval presentations provide an opportunity to explain the system, answer questions, consider comments, and secure final approval. The first presentation is to the systems analysts, programmers, technical support staff members who will be involved in the future project phases or operational support for the system. Next presentation is to the department managers and users from departments affected by the system. Final presentation is delivered to management. Management will reach a decision based on the presentation. Chapter summary. An information system combines hardware, software, data procedures, and people into a system architecture. ERP establishes an enterprise-wide strategy for IT resources and specific standards for data, processing, network, and user interface design. A system architecture requires servers and clients. Client-server architecture divides processing between one or more clients and a central server. Read Chapter 10 and review the key terms.